The Orion SpaceProbe II 76mm telescope is an excellent choice for beginners and family stargazing due to its user-friendly design and affordable price. This telescope features a 3-inch aperture and a 700mm focal length, providing clear and detailed views of the moon, planets, star clusters, and even some bright nebulas. The package includes 2 anti-reflection coated 1.25-inch Kellner telescope eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm, providing 28x and 70x power magnification respectively, offering versatile viewing options. The Orion SpaceProbe II also comes with a red dot finder that makes aiming the telescope easy, ensuring accurate targeting of celestial objects. Included in the package is the Orion MoonMap 260, a valuable tool for beginners to learn more about the lunar features seen through the telescope. The telescope comes with a sturdy adjustable aluminum tripod and EQ-1B equatorial mount for easy manual slow-motion tracking of celestial objects.